Namaskar students. In the last class, we have created this PowerPoint presentation with the help of different features of PowerPoint. In this PowerPoint presentation, I have chosen the template for my slides. Here you can see that my each slide is having same type of background. But now I don't want this type of background for my slide because I am not liking this type of background for my slide. And here you can see that my each slide is having same type of background. I want to take different type of background for my slide. So if I will go to file menu and if I will take the new option, that time I have to create the new presentation and I don't want to do that. So in MS PowerPoint we are having one more option. By using that option you can apply the design to your slide. It means you can give different type of slide design to your presentation. So to apply that slide design, what you have to do, you have to just click on design tab. When you will click on design tab, in the themes group, you will get different types of themes. So from here, you can choose any theme of your choice. If you want to apply the same theme on all the slides, that time you have to just click on that slide. See, if I want to take this type of theme, that time I will just click on it. When I will click on it, you can see my slide design is changed. It means all the slides are having different themes. It means previous one is removed. Now I am having the different background for my slide, but each slide is having the same background. Now if you want to change, you can make the changes. Just click on it. You can see now my all the slides are having different themes. Now, whenever you are choosing any theme, see, if I have chosen this theme, that time all the options related to this theme will be displayed at the right side. It means if you are choosing any theme, that time all the variants, it means all the color combination related to that theme will be displayed at the right side of the themes. So you can choose any type of variant from here. But here you can see one more thing, that whenever I am choosing any theme and whenever I am clicking on it, it will be applied to all the slides. But I don't want to apply the same theme to all my slides. So what can we do for this? Here, when you will right click on any theme, that time here you will get two options: apply to all slides and apply to selected slides. So with the first option, when you will click on apply to all slides, or if you will directly click on any themes, apply to all slide option will work. It means whenever you are choosing apply to all slides, the selected theme will be applied to all the slides. But if you want to apply different type of themes to different slides, that time what you have to do, you have to just choose any theme. You can see here in the themes you are having this arrow. When you will click on this arrow, you will get more themes. For my first slide, I want this. I want this theme, so I will just click on it. If I will click on it, this theme will be applied to all my slides, but I don't want to apply this theme to all my slides, so I will just right click and then I will click on apply to selected slide. So whichever slide will be selected, that time the theme will be applied to on that slide. So I am just clicking on this apply to selected slide. You can see here that my first slide is changed. The theme of my first slide is changed. It means the background of my first slide is changed. Now I am coming to the another part of this. When I have chosen this theme from the themes, at the right side I am getting different variant related to the chosen theme. So from here, if you want to change the variant, if you want to take any other variant, you can just click on that variant. I am taking this one because I am liking this one, so I will just click on it. You can see the chosen variant is applied on my slide. Now I am coming to the second slide. To apply the different theme on the second slide, I will just click on second slide. Then I will click on this arrow. I will choose any theme according to my choice. If I want this one, so I will just right click on it and then I will click on apply to selected slide. But it is coming blank and I am not liking this, so I will take any other where you can see the effect. So here if I am taking this one type of, here one more is here, I am taking this one. So I will just right click on it and I will click on apply to selected slide. When I will click on apply to selected slide, you can see all other variants of color combination of this theme is coming at the right side. So according to your choice, you can choose any one. I am choosing this one. Now I am coming to the next one. I am just clicking on third slide. Now I will choose any other theme from here. For this I am taking different one. According to your choice, you can choose. For this I am just taking this one again. So I will just right click on it and I will click on apply to selected slide. When you will click on apply to selected slide, you can see this type of pattern will come at the background of slide. And here we are having different variants, so you can try all the variants one by one. Whatever variant you like, you can choose that variant. So here I am liking the first one, so I will just click on this one. Here you can see, so I have chosen this one. Now I am coming to the last slide. When I will click on last slide, you can see here my text color is coming in yellow color and my box color is also coming like this. So what to do here? I will just click on it. I will click on this. I will change the color. At first I will choose the theme from here according to my choice. You can see here when I am choosing the theme, my text is also changing and the background color of my boxes, my shape is also changing. You can see here. Now I will choose any other type of, you can see here I am just taking this one. So I will just right click on it and apply to selected slide. You can see this type of background will come. You can choose any color of your choice from here. I am just taking this one color. So here you can see that I have taken different type of background for my slide using design, and in the design tab you will get themes, and with the help of themes and variant you can apply the different themes, design themes to your slides. Whenever you are using the design themes and the and the different variants related to the themes, your PowerPoint presentation will look more attractive and more beautiful. So just apply all the slide design in your PowerPoint presentation and create a beautiful presentation.